Now everything is good, guys.
Yes.
And yeah, so here what Joule routing, right? Joule routing service ID is there, na? So after then what, for example, how we will write in the project, right? This is the just I given the example, right? Just I given the example only, right? So but for example, we will write in the property file like this. For example, like this. Okay, so we will write just what, Joule dot routes, Joule dot routes. After then here what we will give, means what, which one we are taking now, which one payment, right? So or just project name, 1 minute we will see this, right? Which one? So like just order is there na, no, 1 minute. Yeah, payment or order or admin. Just take admin. Let's take admin microservices, we want to select it, right? So here what we will give now, just I'm giving admin, right? Admin, you can give a b c d also, a b c d also, there is no problem. But some, what is that, we will follow the some coding rules now. By seeing this property we can understand, okay, this property for what, admin microservices. Come on guys.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
okay, Ravi.
yeah, so here I'm giving what, admin. After then what, path. What path we will give, what path we will give, we will give just what is that, what is the path now guys? Here just come here, right? So for admin, what is that, api adm hyphen api slash dot dot, sorry, star star, right? So this one we will give here. So here what, adm hyphen admin, sorry, api after then what, star star, right? Star and before also slash. Like this we will specify of what, path, right? Path in what, in which, where, in the Joule application. Clear?
Yes.
After then
Yes,
what,
Ravi.
if we want to specify the service ID, right? So same things what we will do it now, same things what we will do it now. Here Joule dot routes, Joule dot routes. After then what, on the top of we took, right, admin. Here also must match, otherwise our application will not run, right? Now after then here what, service ID. Service ID, we will give what, service ID. What is the service ID now? What is the service ID? Admin service, right? Admin service, right? Like this we will write, right? So admin service only na, yeah, admin service only, right? Admin service only. So this service ID we will give, like using these property, these two property, we will write the path as well as what, service ID. Now everyone is clear about these things now guys? Come on.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, Ravi.
Okay, so now let's do the practical guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to create one application, right? Application is nothing but project only, right? So now first what we will do it now, first we will create what is that, Eureka server. Pushpendra, are you there? Only today Bankatesh and Ritu, I'm getting the response, these two people. What about others? Give everybody response, yeah. Because only one side only, if I like continuously I'm speaking, na, so I need some energy. The people is just yeah, Sanmuga, please give the response, right? Okay, so Joule routing, right? So fine guys, so here what we will do it now, let's do the coding, right? Coding. So minimum 3 application we need to write it, right? So what we will do it now I'm doing that, right? Let's do the code, right? Let's do the code. I'm converting all our theory in the project now guys. Okay, everything I will tell. Okay, let's see that. Now I'm doing this area work, right? I'm doing this one, I'm doing this one. Everyone will catch easily our practical guys. Okay, so because of that we spent what, we spent near about 3 hours is going to complete. Yesterday 2 hours, now today also 1 hour we spent in the theory only, right? Now we are going to do the practical just what, 10 to 15 minute work, guys. Okay, but if theory is clear about that practical, so because of that, what, we can understand the practical part easily, right? Easily. Because of that, we spent 3 months. What I'm doing now, yeah, 3 hours time, right? 3 hours time. Okay, so good.
Yes, sir.
So fine now. So let's do that, right? Let's do that. So first application we will create what, Eureka server, right? Eureka server, like what, how we are preparing previously, right?
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
So now just I'm going to give what, the project name as what, I'm giving the project name. Let's give the project name. Let's specify some project name, right? So what is that? Spring cloud API gate, right? API gate Eureka server. Eureka server. It's need what? Only one dependency, right? It's need what? Only one dependency. What is the dependency? What is the dependency? Eureka.
Eureka server.
Yeah, Eureka server.
Eureka server.
Eureka server, right? So now let's create this one. Let's create, or let's, okay, no. After then what? One more project we need, right? One more project we need. What is that? That project is what? Microservices.
One
Yeah, microservices application. We need what? Microservices application, right? We need what? Microservices application. So let's give that microservices application also name, right? Name I'm going to give, right? So here what name we can give? Let's spring cloud employee. Let's take employee application only, right? So now spring cloud spring cloud as what?
API.
API gateway employee, right? Employee.
Yeah.
Yes,
why
Ravi.
why I'm giving API gateway? Because the last time we completed multiple practical na. So if so we will not
Yes, Ravi.
in this one we will
So
forget
easy
about
to
which project
present.
is there. So for what is that, recognizing purpose, I'm giving what is that, API gateway, right?
Yes, Ravi.
So name, right? After then what? After then here what dependency we need? We need
Dependence.
yeah, we need dependency, right? We need dependency, right? So we need Eureka dis discovery, right?
Very client.
Eureka discovery
Yes,
client,
Ravi.
Eureka discovery client, and web client, sorry, web dependency. We need two dependency in what? Microservices application. After then what? Last we need what? API gateway. API gateway. So one more project we need, right? So third project we need what? API gateway. API gateway application, right? So in this API gateway, how many dependency need? So first we will give the name, right? Name of project, right? So let's give what? Spring cloud API gateway Joule server, right? Joule server, right? So this Joule server need what? How many dependency this Joule server need? Eureka discovery client and a web and a Joule. 3 dependency it's need, right? So
Okay,
Eureka
Ravi. Discovery client,
discovery client,
web,
web
and Joule.
and Joule. Web and Joule, these 3 dependency need, right? These 3 dependency need, right? So now let's start development, guys. So everyone is ready to see the development?
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Ravi.
guys. So
Yes,
Yeah.
Ravi. Ready.
yeah, so now Eclipse ID, guys. Okay, I'm opening our Eclipse ID now. File, new, select the project. So spring starter project, right? Spring starter project. Next, here I'm giving the project name, right? So spring
Spring Cloud AG
spring,
Eureka server.
spring cloud spring
AG
cloud
Eureka server.
Eureka server. Eureka server, right? So everything is fine.
Change description, Ravi.
Yes. Yeah, everything is fine. Next,
Yeah.
what dependency we need? Eureka, right? Eureka,
Eureka server. Eureka
Eureka
server.
server dependency we
Eureka
need.
server.
Just only
Yes,
one
right.
dependency, right? Next, and a finish.
Yes.
Created. 1 minute. Creation is going on. Okay. So this is the project, right? Still project creation is going on, guys. Okay. So let's complete that one first. How much slow network is there? Yeah. It's taking too much time now. Mhm. Actually, my network is too much bad. Because of that, it's taking time. 25%, 25% only. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, okay, okay. Let's create another projects also, right? Let's create another projects also. So another projects we need microservices project na. Now file new. This one is still going on na. Let's till now let's create another project also. So file new others, select Spring Starter next. So here what we will give the name, right? We will give the name of what another project. So here is Spring Cloud, what we employee, right? API get employee, right?
Yes, Ravi. API gateway employee.
Employee. Okay, good. Now description. Let's change the description. Next, we need what is that? Eureka Discovery Client and
Discovery
Web,
client
right?
and
Yes. So
yes.
Eureka Discovery Client and Web, Spring Web dependency. Next, finish. Now let's
Create third one.
Joule project, right? So new file
Yes,
others,
Ravi.
Spring Starter project. Next, now give the name as what? Spring API gateway Joule server, right?
Yes.
Joule server, right? Fine. Copy this one and paste it here. Next, here what dependency we need? We need Eureka Discovery Client,
Using a discovery client,
Web
Spring Web and Joule.
and a Joule, right? Hey, why this one is Joule is not there? Where the Joule? Why this one is not coming? Joule application. API gateway, no Joule. Its implementation is Joule only, right? One minute, guys. Something is wrong. One minute.
Spring Cloud Starter Netflix Joule, Ravi.
Hmm?
Spring
Yeah,
Cloud
artifact
Starter
ID,
Netflix Joule.
Netflix Joule, Ravi.
It's there in your system.
No. They are searching the Maven repository.
But the simple is okay. So if here I'm selecting anything, right? 1 minute. Joule server. Next. Here, whenever I'm taking Joule, right, it will
Spring.
come some.
But now it is not coming Ravi.
Yeah, previously it was coming, but now why it's one not coming? That is the problem.
Otherwise, search in Netflix. Netflix Joule Ravi.
NET, right? Net. No. 1 minute. One minute, guys. Why this one is not giving?
Ravi find 2.2.4
Hmm?
versions in the latest version.
Yeah, in the latest version it's not showing. In the older version, which version I can select? Can you tell?
2.4.
2.4. Okay. 2.4 is not there. See this? 2.4 version is not showing. Because without Joule we can't able to do the practical na. 2.513, right? 2.514 is there. Okay, let's 2.7 I'm taking, right? No, yeah. The problem is, if you learn the microservices today, just don't think within the month only their updated version is coming, and they're directly they are changing the that concept only, right? In the microservices we need to become too much dynamic. Every time we need to update ourselves. If the people are thinking about that one time I learned the microservices, that is not enough. Joule is not coming in any version. Just I'm selecting the all version. Let's see that. Directly they removed that dependency only. There is no support of also, right? 1 minute in the microservices. Let's see. Okay, okay. One minute, guys. Some because Need patience to learn the microservices. Really, we need patience.
Otherwise, can we add it a manual, Ravi?
If we add manually, then this one is will not work now because of that. Or let's do that. No, because based on that dependencies, other dependency will come as a new year, right? So will not work. Or let's check it, right? Let's check it. It will. Let's check it. You are saying,
Because if you won't come any error, I
We-
think it's fine.
We don't have supported version, Ravi, on Google.
huh?
We don't have supported version. If we
Yeah.
add explicitly,
Explicitly, na. Let's add explicitly only, right? Let's check it, guys. Okay, let's check it.
Yeah.
Enable Joule proxy, right? This is there. These are the dependencies, na. No, this is the Jersey dependency, right? Okay. Netflix Eureka client, Spring Cloud starter, Netflix Eureka. Eureka with Jersey. Okay, this one
no,
Eureka.
Ravi.
Yeah, that is the another dependency. One minute here. Service discovery Eureka, Eureka metadata using the Eureka client. Circuit breaker histories client. Next one we will learn this one. Na? Circuit breaker history text board, history timeout, client load balancer, external configure, routing and filter Joule, right? Routers and filter Joule. Okay, now click on this one.
How to improve Joule?
Where the dependencies. Next one we need to learn this one only, but initially this one is giving the problem. Where that dependency is not there, right? Authentication instance, authentication, this is based on this one only, security I want to implement, yeah, and this one is removed. How it's possible? In the newer version directly alternate, what they given alternate, yeah, 1 minute. Joule simple process, okay, no issue, we will take the older version like this application only, right? What is the problem? 1 minute. Netflix, okay. Joule dependency, Maven dependency, right? Joule proxy, this one is the setup only, right? Okay, let's copy this dependency and we will work it, right? If not work, then we will think about any alternate. May this one will work, right? Okay, so I'm copying this dependency, guys, okay, from here only. So what I'm doing now create the project, new, let's take other spring starter, new, sorry, next. And here what we are doing now, Joule server, right? Server, this project only left na. Come on guys, give the response everybody. Now
Yes, Ravi.
next, now but we need some dependencies, right? So I'm decreasing the, which one is the lowest version, 2.6, right? 2.5.13, this one only, right? So lower version I'm taking, right? So here what we need, what Eureka, right? Eureka discovery client we need. After then what web need, we need, what is that? Web dependency.
Spring Web.
Yeah, spring web dependency, right? Joule need, right? We will explicitly, we will put that dependency, right? Come on.
Yeah, Ravi.
Okay, Ravi.
Now our three project is created. Let it be. This project creation is going on now. Let's work on first. What is that? First, which one we need? A Spring Cloud Eureka server, right? So open this one and come inside this main class, right? Open the Eureka server main class. What annotation we will apply? Anybody remembered?
Yeah, Ravi, at the rate enable Eureka server.
Yes, good.
At the rate enable Eureka server.
Yeah, good. Very good. Yeah, at the rate enable Eureka server, right?
Yes.
Yes, Ravi. Complete.
Yes. My system is hanging. At the rate enable Eureka server, right? After then what? Some key need in the property also na, in the Eureka server.
Come on, guys.
Yes, is raised to
Yeah, Ravi, up to question.
is are required.
In a property file.
Yes. So just what I'm doing now, I'm opening the property. Okay. So in the property, let's decide the port number, right? Server dot port. Server dot port. Just give the any 8761. I'm giving, right? 81.
Yeah.
Actually, default.
Yes. So after then what we need what is that Eureka client registry with Eureka also na? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, right.
Register with Eureka.
Eureka
Dot client.
Eureka client
Register
Register with Eureka.
register with
With Eureka.
what? Register with what? Eureka, right?
yes.
Register with something wrong is, yeah, here dot is there, guys. Okay.
Yes, Ravi. False.
Equal to, make this one as what? False, right?
False.
After then what? Eureka
Dot client.
dot what? Client dot fetch type, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Fetch
Fetch
registry. Fetch registry, make this one as also
False.
false, right?
False.
Okay, so
Yeah.
our what? Our Eureka coding is completed. Let's
Server
do
is
the,
complete.
yeah, let's do the microservices. Let's do the microservices
Employee.
coding, right? Let's do the microservices coding. Okay, so which one is microservices? This one, right? Employee. Come on, this project is right. No, not this one.
Yes, right.
Yeah, this one, right? This application is there, right? Spring Cloud API Gateway Employee only, right? This one is the microservices application, na? Come on.
Yes.
So good.
Yes.
So here what we will do it now. Let's directly open first. We will complete the property only, right? So I'm opening the property file. So here what we will do it now. Let's give the port number. Server dot port. Just I'm giving what? 8081 port number I given what? 8081. After then what? How we will specify the service ID of the project now, guys? Anybody remember that? Spring application. Spring dot
Spring
application.
application dot service ID
Application dot name, right?
name, right?
So here just I'm giving employee
Employee service.